Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the diet plan for whole hostelers and all those people who are staying away from their homes or they are staying in single rooms for job purpose or for any other purpose, just for self development or just for change of place or change of atmosphere or change of mind. In these situations, most of the times what happens, people usually ask me question what to eat, because now here we don't have our chefs who can cook for us, or we don't have our cook who can cook for us, and we need to often go to restaurant to have food, and that food doesn't suit our body too much. And for all those people who are preparing for exams, some entrance examination, especially in India, like you know how much preparation is needed to have entrance in the medical school or engineering college or professional college or some civil services examination or Indian Air Force or anything. So in these days what happens, we can't pay much attention like what to eat, what not to eat. And most of the times when we go to hotels and have food, that food is not very fresh, and this way our body feel lethargy, our mind feels sleepy, and after that what happens, whatever we want to study, we are not able to focus properly, we are not able to study or grab the knowledge or just pay attention on the subject matter, because I also went through this. So I know these things very well, like when we are not eating well, we cannot study well. So all those people who want to study, who want to crack these entrance examinations, it's very, very important that you pay attention on your lifestyle, on your food, about which I was not aware of when I was preparing for examinations and studies and entrance examinations. I hardly took care of my health, so and I paid a big price for that. So it is very, very important, like when you are going through these entrance exams, studies, taking time for yourself for studying, it's very, very important that you pay attention how to eat, what to eat, and how to make your lifestyle so that you can avail maximum benefit out of it and can make your health better. So first and the foremost thing, whenever you get up at what time, it's better to get up by 6 or 7 o'clock. So whenever you get up in the morning, it's very, very important, take the help of Ayurveda and drink 2-3 glasses of water. And best, this water should be warm water, not cold water. This is the only time that is the only time in Ayurveda that's been prescribed that you can have water without thirst. Even if you are not feeling thirsty, it's good when you get up in the morning, take 2-3 glasses of water. If you are staying in very warm place and you feel a lot of pimples are coming on your face, or for some reasons if there is enhancement of heat in the system, so take half lemon and squeeze it in lukewarm water and drink that water. It will act as a natural detoxifier and it doesn't cost much. It is just a normal cleansing process which everybody can do in their day-to-day life, and it doesn't cost much and it gives tremendous benefits in terms of health. So after that, what you can do, daily routines like bathroom work you do, defecation and cleaning your teeth and everything. After that, what you can do, give 20 minutes or half an hour of your daily routine to do exercise, because you know what will happen if you do not do exercise, our blood circulation will not improve well, and if our blood circulation is not well, it becomes very, very difficult to supply oxygen to each and every cell of your body. 20 minutes at least, you just do any exercise. It's better like some rigorous exercise you do, like you jumping or skipping or just patting ball or just moving your hands. So any kind of exercise. When exercise, I am saying it has no connection with breathing movements because it's not yoga. So exercise means anything which make you sweat, that is called B.A.M.S, right? So this kind of exercise you just do for 20 minutes. It would be enough. It will make you whole day fresh. At least bodily, body will start breathing. When we say we do exercise, body starts breathing, that means what? Each and every cell get oxygen. As we are releasing the stored energy that got stored in our system during the night. So whenever you get up in the morning, first 20 minutes give your body exercise. After exercise, you can go for a walk for 10 to 15 minutes in nature, because whenever you go walk in nature, it just make you very calmer from inside. Because anyway, if you are preparing for some examination, or if you are doing some job in the bank, or if you are going for your job, they already have stress situations. So just equip yourself to deal with those stress situations by spending some time with some tree, with some nature, so that your mind will become totally calm, and ultimately it will also blossom your intelligence. After that, once you come back, you take proper shower, and better to like Ayurveda says, better to take shower with warm water beneath head, and for head either cold water or lukewarm water. It depends on outside temperature. How is outside temperature? For example, in winters you can take shower with lukewarm water, and in summers you can have had shower with even cold water. But beneath cold water, if it is winter, you take warm water shower, that is hot water shower. If it is summers, you can take lukewarm water shower. Don't in Ayurveda, cold water shower below head is not being recommended. After that, what you can do, if you are even going to have breakfast at some hotel or restaurant, before that cut a lot of fruits, big bowl of fruits. You cut fresh big bowl of fruits and eat these fruits. These fruits will keep your energy levels very high. Make sure, like whatever food you are eating, 50% of that food should be raw, especially if you are going at your workplace, like some office, or you are preparing some for some exam where you need a lot of mental work. So it is very, very important that 50% of your diet should be raw, that is, it should include a lot of fruits. I know many times this happens, like people come and they say, anyway we are going to eat outside, so we don't have a time to arrange diet plans, so there is no point of listening these diet plans, because anyway we are going going to have our food in restaurant. And ultimately what happens when you eat in restaurants and this, because it's not home cooked food, it will cause unnecessary weight gain, sluggishness and unnecessarily diseases, because most of the times in restaurants the food that has been served, it is not very freshly cooked food. Most of the times it is food from previous night or last day. So it is very, very important, like if you are not able to cook by yourself, best is if you if there is a possibility that you can cook by yourself. But if there is no possibility like this, at least you have big bowl of fruits, because fruits is something that will compensate your needs of the body to 50%, and then 50% food you will go out and have food in some restaurant. And one thing is, if this food is fresh, it's good. If not fresh, then the quantity of food will become very less, because already your stomach is full with fruits. So this way, if you combine fruits and your food like this, it will make your health better. I know these days people are more focusing only on your work and not paying attention to food at all. Even some people eating burgers only while walking. So it's fine, you eat whatever you are eating, because they are then not adopting little bit of lifestyle, because they are thinking it's not for us. But believe me, these fruits are for everybody, and you can have a bowl of fruits, and after that you can have some sprouts or have some nuts. So how to eat nuts, how to eat fruits, regarding this we have created a lot of videos according to your dosha type, how to eat, what to eat. So there are links below, you can click on those links and you can make use of it, what is your body type and what kind of fruit you should eat. So this way, one of the very big problem for many people will be solved, like what to eat, what to eat. Please eat fruits. Fruits are easy to cut and easy to digest, and it's a big source of energy. And if there is availability that you can have fresh fruits, try to have fresh fruits. But before eating fruits, make sure, like for apple, you remove the peel properly if it is from market, and before that you should wash it with warm water. This is very, very important, so that all the pesticides, insecticides which are being sprayed on these fruits, they will be removed. And which fruit to have with peels and which fruit not to have with peels, you can watch our fruits video and you can have a lot of information regarding this and make use of it. So, and after that, if you are going to office, carry any fruit with you. Don't cut fruits in your lunch box and then take to office, because once you cut fruits and if you are not eating it within 15 minutes, this fruit which you think it will be very healthy, it will become the cause of acidity problems. So, it is very, very important, like whenever you are taking any kind of fruit to the office, take fruit as a whole, and in office you just remove peels and then eat it. Then even if for lunch, if you are going out, again do the same mechanism, take some sprouts to the office or some fruits like banana, oranges. You just take these things to the office and eat it there. Like most of the people are yoga kinds, they eat only in the morning and at the evening, and afternoon they don't eat anything. But those who are working like hard, and because when you go out of home, your body consumes energy. So, for those people, take few fruits and some sprouts or soaked nuts. So, these will be beneficial for your health, and at the same time it will buck up your energy levels. So, in the evening, if you are eating, if you are coming early by 5 or 6, then have your dinner during 6. Try to avoid all the meat dishes during 6 o'clock. Because dinner should always be light. If somebody is having meat diets, though Ayurveda does not support meat diet, and I myself also vegetarian, but if somebody is eating, have these meat diet in afternoons. Do not take it in the evening, because in evening these diets becomes extremely difficult to digest, and after having food maybe you go and sit for studies, and if your stomach is extremely heavy, you cannot focus on work or in study or anything. So, it is very, very important, like have your dinner early and try to have vegetable soup or boiled vegetables in your dinner, or you can have wheat chapatis also, or some millets sometimes barley. So, you can change your dinner accordingly. But make sure like it should contain boiled vegetables, because it's very, very easy to boil vegetable. Just take few vegetables and just wash it, cut it and boil it. If there is no time to cook vegetable in a proper Indian way, at least you have boiled vegetables. In the morning, prefer those fruits which are very sweet, like apple, grapes. Sometimes there are sweet oranges also, like who are properly ripe and they are very sweet in taste, and bananas. For afternoon, better like any juicy fruit, like it can be orange, it can be pomegranate, or it can be any seasonal fruit. Because whenever I am saying fruits, do not take off season fruits. One thing, off season fruits are costly and they do not provide you that much nutrients as your seasonal fruits provide, because nature knows best what is needed in this season according to your body type. So, Ayurveda always supports seasonal diet and seasonal fruits. You can also make use of it and make your health more better, and you can prepare for your exams and for your job in much better way. This way, even if you are staying away from your home, you will your family will not tell you like, oh, you were doing job, you became so slim. You are staying away from home. These kind of talks will not happen, because if you take enough fruits in your diet, means your health will be well taken care of. One more good thing about fruits are natural detoxifiers. So, if there is, because when you stay in cities, there is a possibility of having toxins in your system, because you know in polluted atmosphere there is a lot of toxins, a lot of air is polluted. So, these toxins somewhere get deposited in our system, but if you are eating enough fruits in your diet, you will be surprised to know like fruits act as natural detoxifiers and it will clean up your system very nicely and naturally. So that's all for today's video. I hope you will like this video, and if you have any questions, please write down those questions. And if you have any friends or family who are staying away from the homes, you can share this video with them so that it will be great help for them. And because sometimes these small things are there, it's not something big science is there, but these are small things which we don't pay attention, like I not paid attention when I was preparing. So it's very, very important, like if somebody knows these things and if they pay attention, later they will not suffer health problems, because once you will get some job, once you got some entrance examination, once you fulfilled your dream, and you will see, like if there is no health, that success is equal to almost zero, because then you cannot enjoy it if your health is not good. So if we pay attention to health, we can have success and we can have health. Also, if you are watching me for the first time, there is a subscription button, there is a bell icon. You can click the subscription button, you can hit the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, there is a join button near subscription button. If you would like to support us, you can click this join button and you can support us. And with this note, I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share. Bye.